Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Youth, unstoppable, run away train.
Blessed dear people, job people. Kind of under the weather a little bit, but you don't know, so the work have to go on. Because we have bills to pay and picnic to feed and other relatives. I mean, I don't want to be no criminal in this. You see me? Because if be a criminal in this, you know, the criminal when me I go be, and it's kind of hard for me get there. If be that criminal there, if be a politician, right, or a prime minister, it don't take me a little while to get there. You see me? Because them are criminal in the eyes of the people them, right? In a plain sight. Politician and the government is a criminal in a plain sight. You see me? And if me want to be a criminal or a menace, right, to the people in this country, me have to be one politician or have to be the government of Jamaica, right? To be a criminal where you're a criminal in a plain sight. Then, and no action can take against you when you was a politician or you was a prime minister of Jamaica. You see me? So that type of criminal them that want to be. Saying, but you know it will kind of rough once I had a way to reach this up. Saying, so me just go on with still do my little thing. You see me? Maybe one day me might be one of the legal criminals in Jamaica. Anyway, that's another point. Right. What me really want to see this man, you see, because as me tell you, Babylon make up one mind, You're born with a good mind and Babylon make up one gear. Then, so anything where Babylon do, right now, I want a few people alone will say it is wrong. You understand? Because Babylon make up our mind and make up mind give to the people them. And some of them now use the mind with them born with them and use the Babylon mind. So whatever Babylon do, it don't look like it wrong. You see me? Alright, what is now? Why when one little man, you see, get up and decide the mind, say, look here, you know, so I don't want to be no menace to the society. I don't want to be no criminal. So here I want $20,000 and I'm going to start up one little thing to see me can turn and help myself and help others. You see me? I make other people, poor people can benefit from it. Why Babylon always come disrupt your business? And tell us you operate illegal business and you operate this type of business and register business and all kind of something and then come and then mash up your thing and then take away your goods and then drag you go to court where you have to go pay money. Remember, you lose your money, you end up lose your goods, and then now you have to go to court to pay fine. Why you, Mr. Prime Minister, saying because me have to depend for your case now because me see be a free do. Saying and be is law and regulation you put out, right? And you acting so stupid. See me? Alright. Why? Then at the same time when you send Metro Police and you send the JCF Police, saying if you come destroy vendor, things are, you say people are running illegal car wash or illegal shops and all of them is something there, and illegal store and all kind of something. Why at the same time when you send a police or send out the police them, you don't have somebody with them with a book? Saying if you come and write down the names of the people them who are operating the business and show them the right way and make it easier for them to get them business regularized so they can get a license so you can collect a revenue from them type of people. Why you have to destroy a man poor and you mash up him thing, you make him poorer? So you know where you do this. You create one criminal. Right? So this government is a producer of criminal in Jamaica. Then because them don't have no sense, them use ignorance and dictatorship to run this country. You see me? You must have somebody who will go around, brother, I go check out the business, them and write down the name. Saying? And you make it cheap and easy for the people and to get a license. For operate them business so you know make them go turn thief and murderer. You understand? Alright. One more thing. Not so long ago, I see some people come out them name the CI or UC something come out come march, and other people who come out come protest. And here comes the cops and them tear gas beat and them brutalize and them lock up and them charge a lot of people. Then and say them a breach of some fuckery law where they make. No. Them a breach law and them a breach this and them a breach that and all kind of something. But at the same time, the government hold no money, Mr. Police. And Mr. No come out and no come out and demonstrate and no protest and do all kind of something. You see Jamaican people, some Jamaican people very stupid. Then we supposed to go out there and go out there with water and we handcuff and we batten and everything and we beat out them police there and we lock them up and we find a way to charge them too. Saying because just like how we no have no vice and we no have no vice, they no have none too. Because them not understand that the system we against we, the system is against them also. You see me? So what me I try to say right now to them police there. All them police there we are grown now go disrespect people. One sort of way. Brother, let me tell you something. I want to look at my face good. Me is a citizen, Jamaican citizen. Right? I never been arrested. Right? Me not gonna tell you say me a law abiding citizen because guess what? Most of no law people can't abide by no law because a brute force una deal with and una understand say we the Jamaican people pay uno. I no work for we. We no work for uno. None at all. You understand? We make uno there with part uno there. And we make uno have a job. Saying so uno are the one who work for us, not we no work for uno. So we're not supposed to come and can't give you no order. You understand? We're not supposed to see that everything go right, but the way how we do it now, we do it by might and brute force, and we not see big old man now, we not like a piss and tail boy. I can look at big man and call them boy and all kind of something. Saying? So the point is, what more want to understand. Most JCF police, because you have good police. You see me? You have good police. Saying that you have some little laggerhead one. Saying, one of you know say, the reason why enough of you I kick up and I do so much things to poor people and to the less fortunate of Jamaica is because I have no gun. You see it? I'm going to have to tell you this in a 2 different sentences. Your gun can't taste food for your brother. And your gun cannot taste drink for you. And your gun is not a camera for you watch you when you're asleep because you have to sleep. So you have to be careful what you do. You see me? You have to be careful what you do to people because at the same time you have to go to market, go buy food. You have to go to a restaurant, go buy food. You have to go to a bar, go buy liquor. You have to go to a jerk center, go buy something. So you have to be careful what you do. Because our pitney, we brother-in-law, we stepfather, we uncle, we grandfather, we cousin, we stepbrother. So you have to be careful what you do. Enough of we have fuck uno girl. Enough of we have fuck some of we girl. I wanna have sex with my sister, with mother, with auntie, some of we cousin them. You understand? So at the same time, everything lead back in a one circle. You understand? So you have to be careful what you do. You have to treat people with more respect. Brother, treat with respect because at the end of the day, when time the shit hit the fan, you know see one are going to need with strength. And we are going to need for strength also. You understand? So you find yourself because for us be concerned of how you last. You understand? Either we're not being brainwashed or we're not being replaced. Because that's all me can say. Sometimes me see someone do something me can't believe say we are human being. And we're not a human being. So we must be one alien or one piece of iron or one animal or something. Just the way how me see you behave more time. And more time I see you do some things. Me not gonna lie to you. More time I see you do some things. Me I say, Chan no. Someone if you lose a job or one man fi just bust all one buckling on your head or something. Right? Just we waking up. You see me? Because the type of power what me soon I use or the type of brute force what me soon I use man people now, brother. JCF not change none of them the way they. You understand? Because me go at JCF all the while and watch. When I chain, when you swearing and all kind of thing. You understand? So you don't feel be a better. This is Jamaica, yeah, so. And the most I saw no born and no grow, brother. I run up in a bush with a friend them and all kind of something now because now we want uniform when I go like on an animal. Even animal behave better than some of you. You see it? So, by saying this, because me do some other videos. Yeah. So, I'm up on the farm now. And then, I go work. See, because so I do it now 5:30 a man time. I come on the farm, do some work until 8 or 8:30 and then I move. So at the end of the day, when I get a little money off of the trade, then I have the ground. So I can save one of the money. See there? Cabbage, yam up there so, tomato over there so, corn and all kind of stuff over that side. Alright, I have a few little things that I want to say. See? And the concerning, I'm not going to talk about no pasta today or whatever, but if you drop in, you drop in. I'm just showing our little vibes. Because we Jamaican people, we like to turn blind eyes from reality. You understand? And live in a denial. That's most of our problem. See? Alright. What is now? Before me even say what I say, I'm going to show you something. Let me show you something. You see this yam here? This yam here, this is yellow yam or round leaf or whatever you want to name. You see me? Yellow yam or round leaf. Alright. You see this one here? This one is sweet yam. Sweet yam. You see? This is a sweet yam. This is when me small where people used to have thousands. Because my brother used to plant I must see about 40,000 bank at this hill. At this sweet yam. This. Then, alright. All of a sudden, sweet yam start with dead out. See? Start to get disease. And dead out. I look a brother over on that side over there, so from Finland, see him here. The man give me 4 head. But then small, so I plant in a 1 hill. And by the time film them grow, then dead. See? And my one grew up on a prettiest thing, man. Prettier than the yellow yam, them, man. Right? And see it there. So what happened to it? Disease techie and it dead. So that simply means just a little more for now. No sweet yam at all, no there. You understand me? I say? So what me I try to say is like, this is my opinion. There is something in the air, or in the rain, or in the cloud, where then sprinkle, where Babylon sprinkle in the cloud. Saying, forget rid of the farmer produce. Saying at Jamaica, I don't know nobody else, because I don't live nowhere else. I live at Jamaica, right? And I watch this thing a long time. Saying, I watch a long time. So you see soon, you see anytime you see them get rid of the yellow yam, anytime they get rid of yellow yam, we done at Jamaica, yeah, so. We done at Jamaica, yeah, so. Alright. Monsanto. I don't know if you're familiar with the name there. Monsanto, the man who make Roundup and Gramazone and all them harmful herbicide or whatever you want to name, and pesticide and them something there. Monsanto. Saying, I'm and Bill Gates lick head together now. Saying, because more time when I hear people come out and talk and say, people, we shut them out because people don't know what them attack say. Me not stay like me no go up on social media go show here. An NSC buckle. You understand? Anytime I go up on have time and I go up on social media, me always go do research. You understand? Alright. Years ago, let me stop yourself here a little while, because I have a couple more minutes. Years ago, we used to have our good seed, like with pumpkin, and we good peas, and we good corn, and we good melon, and all of those things, right? So Babylon come in now and Babylon chick, use technology, and chick smart people them. You see me? They not check the idiot them, you know. Because the idiot them can't afford. So them have to stick to their native things. Right? So this is smart people them then check with greedy. Because how you check people, you know. You can check greedy people, you know. You have to use greed. Right? Make them lust to them greed. Saying? So you get to check smart people or rich people. Just like the dog we have him bone and him go over the water and see shadow and him jack the bone to catch the other one. Saying so you check them. So that Monsanto now and Bill Gates them use and check the Jamaican people. Me not talk about no else, me talk about Jamaica because that's where I live. Come in the store and they have him people them work all over the world, so them come and them left them flyer and them show you said this can here, this new can where them come in with, it can give you 4 can or 6 can and it full out to the top. Then you used to plant your melon and you only get, the biggest one might give you 10 pounds, 12 pounds the most. And then now Monsanto come with one now where 40 pounds, 60 pounds, 1 melon. Then the pumpkin is the same thing. Pumpkin is the same thing. I don't know about people who use to shake carrot seed. I see carrot seed, but I don't see people do that. So I kind of rule out the carrot and the cabbage seed. Then out of it and them look something. I talk about other seed where like sweet pepper and the pepper where reproduce and all them something. Them there's something I talk about. Seed where we naturally see with our own eyes we can reproduce. Them the thing that I talk about. So he come and he check you and he show you say you get a 6 can on this tree here. See, so you go and you bite, you know. You go and bite and try it and it work. Then it work with you. You still get your 60 pound melon or your 60 pound pumpkin. And the rest of something them work. Alright. It give you a time. See, because a time is the master. A time run the whole world. Then it's not brute force. A time is the greatest. So it give you a certain amount of time. When he say by the next 15 years or so, my product will take effect in the country. Then all of a sudden now, you realize now, come to your senses now and realize that the seeds where you are buy cannot reproduce because you cannot chop the melon or the pumpkin and use the seed and plant it again because it not come to nothing. You see me? So you have to go always buy seed from Monsanto. Right? So you kill out your original seed. Saying, Baps now, you left from Manchester and you go Santa Cruz, a store down there, you go look seed, no seed. You go Falmouth, no seed. You go Montego Bay, no seed. You go Kingston, no seed. Remember you have your money, you know. Saying, and you go at the end of Jamaica, no seed. Monsanto said, no seed. So, the point is, when you plant and you reap and you make your money and you have your money, right? You have your money, you know, and you start go travel around the whole of Jamaica if you buy seed, if you plant and no seed. One of people are going to eat. And that's the chicken, you know. One are going to eat. One are going to eat. You don't see what come. You don't see what come. First, them chicken, you used to have a little common fowl where cattle about on a yard. When you used to get egg and kill one rooster and all them something there. No, and chicken no go no white fowl we cannot reproduce. So when time the chicken place stop send egg and stop send chicken and all them things, the one I go eat. One I go eat. When you used to have me no deal with hog and all those things, but me I show no. When you used to have a black hog. When last Jamaican people, when last you see one black hog? Anyway. when last. When used to have a good black hog. We have pig and we sell it and then grow and then reproduce and all kind of something when you start say when I raise some Canadian fuckery. Saying and they have one set of pig and then the next third set of pig has some little mongoose and some little rat. Eh? Why we not so full? Why not so full? The next big crisis where we have at Jamaica is shortage of food, brother. Shortage of food. Because they so kill the yam because they kill out the sweet yam there. And then kill the Lucy and then kill the nigga yam. Right? A yellow yam alone standing there. They kill the banana and they kill the coconut. You understand? See them test them power the other day down at St. Elizabeth there. And then whatever the river. Kill out the fish. Test them power. Saying I'm like blind. I don't know get up every day on social media with false hair. I flip back way so I show NSC back. No see what I go on. You know see what I take on. In my community where I live. It's 14 supermarket. 14 supermarket. 14 supermarket. And black man own 2. When the Chinaman decide he mind in a twink of an eye, if you go way back to China, you think them a 2 supermarket they can run this a whole parish? Eh? You know see a crisis we are running up in. We know see a crisis we are running up in. Shortage of food I got there at Jamaica. Even for this Christmas, that's how I go on. Right, for the December, I'm not talking about no Christmas. For the end, as Babylon said, the end of the year. Shortage of food I got there. Right, I want to see them there something there. But as a man, get up and decide in mind, say, you know, say, that's something that bother me. I'll talk about it. When I start tell him all kind of something. You see? I tell you why enough of you go suffer. I'm not go sorry for you. It's because everything for you is politics. You see me? Everything for you is politics. Right? When you see the truth, I want to turn a blind eye because of politics. You see me? Me not oppress my people over no politics. You see me? No politics, me not oppress my people over no politics. You understand? And let me tell you now. You see in the next video, what me I go make? Me I go say some things where a lot of people are going to feel uncomfortable with. You understand? But it's just the truth. It is just the truth. See, all I want me get up, all I want me do with my time, you see there? See land there, on one side, this is how I take my money by land. Land. You understand? Me no buy car. And them something, land. Because if you check history, that's what people used to fight for before. Land. And food, right? What not fight for. Me just want to know what Jamaican people are fight for. All you no fight for do is in competition with each other. To see who can outdo. Right? If it was not so, we don't have less hungry people in Jamaica. Because who have and can afford to, they would give it to the less fortunate. But you want to play God, right, over poor people. You don't think you know fi try to share some amount of wealth. You see me? With poor people. So me I tell you say, watch how I go on with the food.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.